In 1988, Yellowstone National Park faced a fiery trial. Flames consumed over a third of the park, sparking fear and awe. Yet, this inferno was nature's paradoxical healer. Lodgepole pines, reliant on fire, released seeds only under intense heat. As smoke cleared, new life emerged, rejuvenating the ecosystem. Could destruction be nature's way of renewal? This fiery dance, though devastating, ensured biodiversity thrived. The blaze taught us that fire, often seen as a destroyer, is also a creator, shaping landscapes and life. Its legacy? A vibrant, resilient Yellowstone, forever changed yet eternally wild.